Welcome you all. Today we are here with another idiomatic expression, and that is alpha and omega. Alpha and omega, which means the beginning and the end, are first and the last. So how we are going to use it in sentences, or we may call it in Urdu आगाज और अंजाम. कोई चीज़ सबसे पहले हो और आखिर में हो रही हो. For that we could use alpha and omega. How we are going to use it in sentences like interrogation of nature is the alpha and omega of the science. यानी नेचर की खोज बेसिकली आगाज़ और साइंस का अंजाम होता है. Here is another sentence. My life starts from you and ends at you. So you are my alpha and omega. So once again we have used this idiomatic expression in sentences.